Hello and welcome to Our Place in Sicily. Today I'm in the Netherlands, Amsterdam to be specific, and I'm off to search for some mosaic supplies for our palazzo. Welcome and hello to my little tour of this mosaic store called The Craft Kit. It also goes by Mosaic Trader, which is the wholesale version of this company. Let's start out the tour with these little circles were smalty. It's Venetian glass, but every shape you could possibly want. In every color you could possibly want. We're looking a lot at glass, which is not what I'm going to use. These, I think, are also smalty. They're like the traditional Venetian choice. These are glass tiles that you would cut down. Also, we have Mille Fiori. I don't know if they're from Murano, but my guess is that they are, because we're in Europe and that's who makes them best. So you could stick these in a little mosaic. Again, every color. They were kind enough to just let me have loose at filming the rainbow that is mosaic supplies. But I was also the only one shopping at that very moment, so I was a little self-conscious to do the talking. This tile is made by, I believe it's called Winkleman's. This is a ceramic tile. It's unglazed, and the whole tile is this color. And that's important because when you go to cut it, even that texture goes all the way through the tile. When you go to cut it, you want to be able to use any side of the tile. Those are bigger squares. In another aisle, I found these. They look like faux broken up old terracotta tiles with things impressed in them, which was really cool. And then I loved these. These look like you've broken up a Delftware or a Chinese blueware tile, but they're pre-made. And this is marble. I also bought the one that's in the upper right corner right now, which is the assortment. These were little tiny stones. I mean, let's get this into focus. There were so many things. I didn't film everything. I now want to make a project just to use these little ochre square stones. I believe some of these stones are sort of man-made because of the color and such. But in fact, I'm like 99% sure. And then we move into marbles, which are not man-made. And you can see the Calcutta white and Egypt beige. But you're going to have to wait till another video where I show you what I actually bought. And it's all for practicing for a project for the Palazzo. That is a new bird sound for us. At first I thought it was something rusty that was squeaking. But I don't know. Does anybody, can you hear that? Do you recognize it? Anyways, we're back from Holland. I'm waiting for my shipment of mosaic supplies to arrive. It should just take a couple days, but not in time to show you. So this will just be part one. I also can't get into the room where I'm going to put them, but we'll do a part two and show you what I'm working on. Maybe even show you my practice, which is what I bought some supplies for, besides just to check out what they had at the store. And we've been gone for 4 days, so I came back to the house to see what's going on. I just talked to the workers, the crew. The workers is the crew. They deserve the crew. And they have been busy adding the cement layer on top of the mesh, holding that all tight together. They are working into the little entryway, bath and side entryway right now, so I can't really get in there, but they said Monday, today's Friday, Monday they will be bringing in the cement joists and I believe also the the terracotta blocks that they set in there. So I would assume, hopefully, depending on what the cement truck's schedule is, that sometime next week we will have a new floor. So all of our floors will have been re-strengthened. All the rest of the floor stuff we have to do is leveling and putting in tile in the different rooms. So that'll happen secondarily. We got a couple other things, walls, little wall sections to take down, and then it's time to move up to the roof. But I just thought I would touch base before we put this quick video together for you for the weekend, and let's go show you a little bit of what they've done downstairs. Last time we were here, we saw that they put the mesh up, but now it's fully covered. They've been bringing cement in from the guest house where they're mixing it. I'll show you that. And then that's the little side room they're working on. This I don't feel safe enough to walk into. This is where we're gonna put that mosaic that I was sourcing for this week. Doesn't it seem like a movie set? Maybe a dungeon. And now we're down inside that room, and you can really see this is still wet in a lot of places, but this room is all set. And now we can go into the little side room. That will be where the full bath is. And over behind this light, you can see that light peeking through, is where the entryway door is. So that's a wrap for this week at our place in Sicily. We would love it if you would like, comment, share, follow. All of those things will help us reach a bigger audience. I can't tell you how many times we get messages from people who are like, oh, I wish I had found this earlier. I was just in your town, or I was just looking at Palazzos, or I was just trying to decide if we could afford to do this, or all sorts of things. But if you can do those little things for us, that helps us reach more people and share the love further. And, it really helps the channel. It also boosts my enthusiasm for bringing you fun content like this. So we'd love it if you liked, followed, shared, all those good things, especially if you have any Sicilian American relatives who would like to see a little bit of life here in Sicily. Until next week, ciao ciao.